Today we will see how Adidas Bazooka football is made. The manufacturing begins by making the bladder or inner line of the football. The bladders are inflated and placed in the metal steam machine, which hardening the rubber. Automatic machine cut the patches or panels for the ball's external shell. After that, panels are painted, stamped, and heated for 250 degrees. Now the panels are passes through glue treatment. The workers manually put the panel together. The football passes through globe mold. After that, the ball is inspected, weighed and polished. Finally, the football is ready for the tournament.